Good morning. This is the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Friday, March 19th. Thank you for joining us. Taking a look at weather impact summaries here for the next few days. We do have rain and snow moving into the region this morning. Snow levels today are generally expected to be 6,000 to 7,000 feet, so that will keep any snow focused mainly across the higher terrain. Snow levels will drop tomorrow, though, tomorrow morning by around 5,000 feet or so. But at this time, the majority of the precip should be focused across the eastern and southeastern highlands. The pattern will remain unsettled and cool as we move into next week. Current satellite view this morning, you can see this large upper-level low-pressure system off the coast of Oregon and Washington. Out ahead of that, you can see some cloud cover and some precip streaming into our state, and that's what will, this is the feature that will be impacting us here over the next few days. Generally expecting rain for a good portion of the area today. Again, the snow will be focused across the higher terrain. As we get into the day tomorrow, however, those snow levels will drop and precip type will become more snow than rain. But again, as we get into the day tomorrow, the primary focus area should be across the eastern portion of the area. We will probably see some lingering snow showers into the day Sunday as well, with very little impacts. And then our next system looks to move in on Monday, bringing more chances for snow as we get into the day Monday and Tuesday. As far as temperatures are concerned, today does look to be the last of our more mild days. We reached into the 60s across a good portion of the area on Thursday. Probably not quite as warm today, although we will still see some upper 50s and lower 60s for a good portion of the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley. Some cooler temperatures, as you might expect, as you get into the higher terrain. But we will see a drastic drop in temperatures as we get into the day Saturday. As far as snow is concerned today, again, those snow levels are expected to remain quite high. So not expecting a whole lot today snow-wise, maybe an inch at the most in the Stanley Basin. You can see we will see some higher totals at pass level and above pass level. But overall, not expecting a whole lot of snowfall today. Again, those temperatures will drop quite a bit tomorrow, generally on the order of 6 to 12 degrees cooler tomorrow than what we will see today, with widespread 30s and 40s expected for highs on Saturday. This is where we will see some of those higher snowfall amounts, and you can see, again, it's mainly focused to the areas east of I-15, where we're expecting 2 to 3 inches across a good portion of the area, perhaps some higher totals as you head up towards Island Park. No winter weather advisories in place at this time. Generally, this event is being handled with special weather statements for the time being, although that could change. But these snowfall amounts fall just below our winter weather advisory criteria for these locations. We'll get a little bit breezy during the day Saturday, although it does look to stay below wind advisory criteria at this time. These are wind gusts for Saturday afternoon, so you can see we get into the 25 to maybe up to 30 miles per hour in the Magic Valley and lower Snake Plain. So a little bit breezy, but shouldn't have too much of the way in impacts. Those cooler temperatures will linger here for a few days, generally at or just below normal for this time of year as we get into the day Sunday. And then as our next system moves in on Monday, we will see some additional light snowfall accumulations possible, generally 1 to 2 inches across the higher terrain of the eastern highlands and central mountains. As you can see there, not expecting any accumulating snowfall in the Snake Plain at this time. So again, we do have that upper level low pressure system moving into the area today, bringing rain and snow. Snowfall levels drop as we get into the day tomorrow, with those snowfall accumulations focused in the eastern and southeastern highlands. And we will remain on the cool side and kind of in an unsettled weather pattern as we get into the early part of next week. If you need any additional information from us, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you and have a great day.